compact Edgebander class, the FELDER G360 impresses with even more performance and a new design. Edge material thicknesses of up to 5mm can now be processed, and flexibility hasn't been forgotten in the new machine design. Although the model requires only 2.3 square meters of floor space, the G360 offers 2 free spaces for individual options, allowing you to equip the machine to meet your requirements. The proven FELDER QuickSet system guarantees exact changeover settings and quickest material change, and is also included on this compact yet capable Edgebander from FELDER. The G360 features a pre-milling unit with 2 diamond-tip milling heads, which rotate in opposite directions to ensure a perfectly straight workpiece edge, guaranteeing that chipped or torn edges are a thing of the past. The 1.2 kg glue unit is designed for EVA and PUR granulate glue, and is Teflon coated to make cleaning the glue pot easier. The glue is applied via an adjustable glue roller. Adjacent to the glue roller are the guillotine shears for cutting coiled edge bands up to 3mm in thickness, and the pressure roller unit. This unit consists of one larger roller followed by a smaller one, with the purpose of improving the glue bond between the edge and the material. The unit is mechanically spring-loaded and, thanks to the QuickSet system, can be adjusted exactly to the required edge thickness. The next station along is the end trimming unit. The saw blades rotate at 9,000 RPM, guaranteeing high precision regardless of the type and thickness of the wood. The next unit is the new multifunction milling aggregate, which combines flush, radius and bevel trimming into a single space-saving unit. Adjustment of the setting is quick and easy, with 2mm radius tooling included as standard. The radius scraping unit fine-tunes the edge radius by removing fine chatter marks for a smooth result. The final stage is the buffing unit, which, with the optional installation of the cleaning agent spray applicator to the polishing heads, provides an excellent finish for ABS and PVC material. Alternatively, the buffing unit can be switched for a glue scraping unit, which removes any remaining glue residue from the panel for a superb result requiring no further finishing. Further options include the addition of an infrared heat lamp for preheating the board edges. The G360 can process both coiled and strip material, and is easily set up using the FELDER QuickSet system, which uses a piece of the edge banding material to set exact measurements for the pressure rollers and multifunction trimming unit, eliminating the need for time-consuming manual adjustments and allowing for speedy changeovers between edging types. The G360 has a handle to adjust the upper pressure bar up to 45mm and adjustment of the pre-milling depth up to 2mm with digital readout. At the front of the machine is the operating panel with LCD display. From here, inputs for glue temperature can be inputted, as well as clearly laid out controls for engaging or disengaging each unit as required. Further information regarding the machine's status can also be accessed from this panel. An extendable workpiece support allows larger panels to be processed with ease, and the solid chain feeder ensures smooth transport of the workpiece with a feed speed of 8 meters per minute. The FELDER G360 is a versatile compact Edgebander that produces professional results with user-friendly controls and quick adjustment via the QuickSet system. To find out more about how the FELDER G360 can revolutionize your business, visit felder-group.co.uk.